put your mind to rest if you're wondering if this is someplace in Nigeria. It is Manhattan, New York, between 2nd Avenue and East 54th and East 44th Streets. It is the Nigerian Independence Day Parade organized by the Organization for the Advancement of Nigerians in collaboration with the Nigerian Independence Day Parade Committee to attract Nigerians and people of all races and nationalities to appreciate the nation's cultural heritage and journey so far. So Nigerian professionals in North America and their friends came out to celebrate the nation at 57 with a clear message to Nigerians and the international community.
Nigeria is a very strong country in the international community, and we can hold our heads high anywhere we find ourselves. And you can see from the parade, the area of professionals that paraded this morning, and also the beautiful dance troops that turn out to celebrate Nigeria. It's wonderful. This is a clear demonstration that when Nigerians are united, they can achieve a lot. And I think, the process of nation building is not easy. Everywhere around the world, people put in a lot of effort to develop their countries. And I think the message is that if we come together as a country, as a people, united with one sense of purpose, we can take Nigeria to the highest level that we desire.
We need to change our social orientation to start believing in Nigeria. Nobody will come and change Nigeria for us.
And how do you intend to contribute to that? I mean, you are in New York.
As a Nigerian nurse, I focus on the healthcare system. I just came back from Nigeria. I spent 6 weeks developing curriculum to help Nigerian nurses.
It's a time for Nigerians to sit down and dialogue and discuss, hear each other, find out where one person is hurting, find out how we can move together as one Nigeria. We need to begin to take advantage of how we in the diaspora, how we relate with each other, how we relate as one family. We're not divided. It's not about Igbo, it's not about Yoruba, Edo, Akwa Ibom, Cross, it doesn't matter. We see ourselves as Nigerians.
I see the Nigerians in the United States and in North America raising the banner of our unity, of our togetherness. I deeply appreciate that. There is a lot we can learn from the Nigerian diaspora. They are peaceful today. The way they organize themselves, without government support to host this event. And they've been doing it for the last 27 years.
Raindrops, drop top. Brooklyn, put your flag in the air right now. Know your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something. Hey, I don't turn nobody, grip the trigger. Hey, all of the gang and they you Nigerian proud. Put your hands up right now. Hey, let's go. Where that Millie at? We got the millions more out there. Hey, and I'm on the block. Wiping like a blender, hey. And I'm on the block. In New York, I barely rock a lot. I did it in my soul.
Every day is a stepping stone. Anything I would do now has a strong consequences. Anything I would say now can never take back. You understand that? You will say you never make it. But my God, just do your own. You're always gonna undermine you until the fame my money comes. Anything I would say now can never take back. You understand that? And anywhere that we go now, you better watch out, wanna go back. Wanna go back, you better watch out, wanna go back. Wanna go back, you better watch out, wanna go back. Wanna go back, you better watch out, wanna go back. Hey, wanna go back, you better watch out, wanna go back. Personally, you Personally, I rock your body. I promise you go home, you won't tell daddy. I give it to you like you never had it. Screaming, jumping, let's make it cherry. The waiting minutes, like a boom boom. The waiting is saga. She know one beat, she talks, she know one. I know why the things within my mind. It has me in the mood. As long as you feel in the mood, I deal with you. Personally.
We think it's so important to pay attention to your roots and remember where you came from and always give back. And that's what we're doing here. We're celebrating, and we know that Nigeria has a lot of progress to make, but together we can do it.
President, I want to congratulate the Nigerian community. There are like 40,000 people here, and every single day you are helping New York City as well as the world be a better place.
I want to appreciate every one of you for your presence here today.
So there you have it. As you can see, Nigerians are all gathered here happy and celebrating the country at 57. And you can see that even for those who are out here, they believe strongly in the unity of the country and they believe that together as one, we can make Nigeria great again.
Just when you think you have seen it all, MC Lola pulls up another surprise.